Welcome to my YouTube channel where faith meets real life. From ancient truths to modern vibes, we explore every page of the scriptures, we deep dive into the words of God, and we help discover and reveal the truth and the stories that inspire us all. Whether you're seeking, believing, doubting, being skeptical, or just curious, you're in the right place. New videos every week. Remember to hit the subscribe button, take a deep breath, and let's get started.
Your worth is not measured by likes, but by love. Inspired by Psalm 139:14. In a world obsessed with followers, be reminded that you are more than numbers. You are wonderfully made. Your worth comes from eternal love.
Sa mundong puno ng mga followers, tandaan mo ito. Higit ka pa sa mga numero. Nilalang kang kahanga-hanga. Ang tunay mong halaga ay hindi mula sa likes, kundi sa pag-ibig. Wagas, walang hanggan.
Kindness is a language the broken understand best. Inspired by Ephesians 4, verse 32. Kindness doesn't need to be loud. It doesn't need an audience. One small act can heal a hurting soul. Be kind. Someone needs that more than you know.
Kailangang maingay ang kabutihan. Wala itong hinihinging papuri. Minsan, isang simpleng kabaitan lang ay kaya ng magpahilong ng may sugat. Maging mabuti sa kapwa, baka yun lang ang kailangan ng isang tao sa tabi mo ngayon.
You're not lost, you're being led somewhere greater. Inspired by Proverbs 3 verses 5 through 6. Maybe you're not lost. Maybe you're being led. Sometimes detours are divine. Trust the process. Something better is ahead. Maaring hindi ka nawawala. Maaring dinadala ka lang sa mas mabuting direksyon. Minsan, ang mga liko ng buhay ay may magandang layunin. Magtiwala, may hinanda ang Diyos para sa'yo.
Peace isn't found outside you. It's grown inside you. Inspired by Isaiah 26, verse 3, peace doesn't come from a quiet world. It comes from a quiet soul. When the world gets loud, go inward. Anchor yourself in what's eternal.
Ang kapayapaan ay hindi nagmumula sa tahimik na paligid, kundi sa tahimik na puso. Kapag maingay ang mundo, manahimik ka sa loob mo. Doon mo matatagpuan ang tunay na katahimikan. Iangkla mo ang iyong sarili sa kung ano yung eternal.
You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. Inspired by 2 Corinthians 12, verse 9. Perfection is not the goal. Purpose is. You don't need to have it all together to make a difference. Your story, flaws and all, can be someone's lifeline. Hindi mo kailangang maging perpekto para maging makabuluhan. Ang mahalaga ay ang pag-focus mo sa layunin mo. Kahit may kapintasan ka, maaari ka pa ring maging liwanag sa iba.
Forgiveness sets you free, not them. Inspired by Colossians 3, verse 13. You don't forgive to let them off the hook. You forgive to set yourself free. Bitterness is a prison. Forgiveness is the key. And peace, that's the reward.
Ang pagpapatawad ay hindi para sa kanila, kundi para sa sarili mo. Ang galit sa kalooban ay parang kulungan. Ang kapatawaran ang susi. At ano ang gantimpala mo? Kapayapaan ang makakamtan mo.
There's still hope, even when you can't see it. Inspired by Hebrews 11 verse 1. Hope doesn't shout. Sometimes it whispers. Just hold on. Even if you can't see the way, light is still coming. You're closer than you think.
Tahimik ang pag-asa. Minsan, bulong lang ito na nagsasabing, kapit lang. Kahit di mo pa makita ang liwanag, papalapit na ito. Mas malapit ka na kaysa sa inaakala mo.
Every act of love ripples into eternity. Inspired by 1 Corinthians 13, verse 13. Love never goes to waste. A kind word, a helping hand, a quiet prayer. These are not small. They echo beyond time. Love always leaves a legacy. walang nasasayang na pag-ibig, isang mabuting salita, isang kamay na handang tumulong, isang taimtim na panalangin. Maliit man sa paningin mo, walang hanggan ang epekto niyan.
When you feel weak, that's when strength grows. Strength isn't just lifting heavy things, it's rising when life gets heavy. When you're weak, that's when your true strength shows. Don't quit now. You're growing. Hindi lang lakas ang kayang bumuhat, kundi lakas din ang muling pagtayo. Sa oras ng kahinaan, doon mas nahahayag ang tunay mong kalakasan. Huwag kang bibitaw, lumalago ka.
You were made to be a light, not to blend in. Inspired by Matthew 5 verses 14 to 16. You weren't made to shrink. You were made to shine. Stop dimming your light just to fit in. Someone out there needs your brightness to find their way. Hindi ka nilikha para magtago, kundi para magliwanag. Huwag mong diliman ang ilaw mo para lang makiisa sa kanila. May mga taong umaasa sa liwanag mo para makakita sila ng pag-asa.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button for more worth watching content like this, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future videos. I am inviting you to also watch my other uploaded videos in my YouTube channel. Until next time and see you in the next video.